Winners and losers with our financial expert, Rob Black. Rob, I feel like a loser this morning. I think everybody is.
Why's that?
Well, because I looked at your numbers. I mean, it's one thing to see your 401k going down and down and down. And you always say, look away, ride it down.
Yeah.
But now you have to put it black and white all in one thing. Like, look at how much the NASDAQ is down. Look at how much, and they've lost a lot.
Yeah. Well, Daria, it's fair to say in your lifetime, you've probably bought some shoes at premium prices and you've probably bought some at discount. Long term, if you believe in capitalism, I think you're buying stocks at a discount right now, taking away the shoe analogy. But July was a great month. I wish it never ended because we cut into our big losses for the year. NASDAQ's now down just 20% for the year after hitting 70 new highs last year. The S&P 500 is down 13%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is down 9%.
Okay, wait, so you're saying that's a good thing?
I get it. I get we're feeling and looking a little poor.
Yeah,
but the trend's still pretty good on a 5 and 10 year basis.
Really? Because you go, don't worry, like over time it'll come back up. But I go, but it lost 20%. So it's going to take me 5 years to make that back, isn't it?
Yeah, but if you buy shoes at 20% off, you can get, a free pair of shoes, buy 5, get 1 free at 20% off compared to with the stock. Same thing with the stock market, Daria.
Okay.
We got to start seeing recessions and inflation. Recessions are good because they curb excesses of inflation. And overall, Wall Street will work, capitalism will work, but you have to be patient. And it stinks because it's going to take a while.
No.
Rents are coming down.
Right.
But it would take 6 more months straight in a row for rents to come down for them to get back to historical norms.
But what I hear you saying is, no, you just caught my ear. I have to keep playing to be a winner. I have to keep, if I don't buy the shoes at a discount now, then I do lose.
I consider myself affluent, and the best investments I've ever made were in 2006, 2007, 2008, when there was a recession. In March of 2020, I got on the show and told you and James, this is a buying opportunity in a generation. This isn't a once-in-a-generation buying opportunity. This is a normal bear market. So, yeah, you have to continue to play. And, your 401k is your best tool because you don't really feel it as much as you do when you look at your big 401k where it is now. But every 2 weeks when you're buying at a low, it helps, and it makes the affluent more wealthy over time.
Okay, you mentioned rent. What about home prices?
Yeah, so rent's coming down. Home prices are coming down too. But it's a scary number, and I hate saying it out loud. It's up 17.3% year over year, but that's down from 19.3%. Some markets fell 3 to 5%, which is unheard of. It's never happened. Wow. In 2007, we saw 1.1% corrections in home prices on a month-to-month level. Now we're seeing 3 to 5. For instance, San Jose fell 5.1% in the last 2 months. So that knocks $75,000 off the asking price right there. Seattle's down 3.8% from their all-time highs.
Yeah.
And San Francisco, San Diego, and Denver are all seeing big price drops of more than 3%.
Okay, but that's because they were sky-high ridiculous.
Yeah, and it's not going to be right anytime soon, but it takes away that crazy inflation, just makes it insane inflation.
Okay.
And it's hot inflation. Maybe it will become mild inflation. Maybe it'll drop down to tame inflation. So this is kind of what we want to see, and this is the obvious next step, but it's still pretty insane valuations. Insane
valuations. Go to the NFL and you can see plenty of those.
Man, don't you wish you and I had money to buy an NFL team up 18% in the last 52 weeks? Not too shabby. The average franchise, there's now 16 franchises worth over $4 billion. We saw Deebo Samuel sign a big contract with the 49ers. You're like, how do they afford so much money? And it's look at the valuation. This week, the Broncos are going to be sold to one of the Walton founders for $4.65 billion, smashing a previous record. Jerry Jones bought the Dallas Cowboys in 1989 for $140 million. Now it's the most expensive franchise in the world at $7.6 billion. $140 million to $7.6 billion. Wow. The Rams are number 2, the Patriots, Giants. The first Bay Area team is the 49ers, pulling in 5.1. The Raiders had the best revenue in the whole league last year. So when we do the news and we go like, why are the Raiders leaving? We're loyal in Oakland. Well, Vegas is spending money on the tickets, and that's one of the reasons they jumped from 16 to 15 on the list of billionaire franchises.
All right, just below about $1 billion below their Niners, I guess, that they're worth.
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot, Rob. If you have a question for Rob, we'll see you later. You can email him or reach him on Twitter or Facebook. We'll be right back.